Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess, and today we're going to continue looking at HTML, but this time we're going to include CSS. If you haven't seen the first HTML video, I'll put a link to it here. Okay, so to recap what we did last time, HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is used for web development, and HTML is what creates the structure of web pages. In this video, we're going to introduce CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and CSS is what provides the style of web pages. Okay, so this page you see here is going to be our aim for today, and we're going to start from the page we created last time, so you can see the difference here. So we'll start from the document we created last time. And as I said, CSS provides the style of the web page. So here the HTML has already created the structure. So we're going to add style tags, opening and closing. And in here is where our CSS is going to go. So the first thing we want to do is change the background color to green. So to do that, we're going to type body, curly bracket, background color, and remember it's color with the American spelling, O-R. We'll just say green, semicolon, curly bracket. So if we save that, so this is what we're hoping. We're hoping for a green background. Let's refresh, and there we go. So next we want to change the header from black to white. So our header was called header 1. So we say heading 1. Color white. Let's save that. Refresh. And there we go. Last thing we want to do is change our Hello World text to red. And our Hello World text was in the paragraph tag, so we're going to say P, color, red. And there we have it, changed to red. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, check out our LinkedIn and Twitter pages, and thank you for watching.